usually the last step on any woodworking project is to apply a nice coat of stain, but that also can be the messiest.
You're right, Danny, because stain is about as thin as water, and when
Right.
you try to apply it with a brush, you'd inevitably drip it all over the place. But I found a quick and relatively neat way to apply stain, and all you need is a $2 plant mister. These are sold in any hardware store, and they're typically used for spraying plants with water.
Okay.
What I did is I used a small funnel to fill it up with some of the oil-based stain we're using. And all you need to do is just spray it right on the project.
Okay, now that's a lot easier than
Yeah.
trying to dip a brush in a can and brushing it on.
Yep. Now, it's a little blotchy now, but you can see by just wiping it down with a rag, you get a pretty neat and even finish, even on this plywood and the pine that I have here. It comes out pretty neat, just spraying it right on.
And I guess if you wanted it a little darker, what, just spray another coat on?
Yep. What I would do is spray on a little more, let it sit 5 or 6 minutes, and then wipe it off. And you can continue to do that until you get it as dark as you'd like.
Now, I thought I've seen stain in aerosol cans.
Yeah, you have, but it's available only in very limited colors. In fact, it's not available in this particular color that we wanted, and it's a lot more expensive.
I see.
You only get a small amount of stain for what you get in that quart.
Okay, all right, and I guess in doing it this way certainly speeds up the project a bit.
Quite a bit, and much less mess.